Welcome back to another episode of Gas Diesel Garage, guys. Today, we're gonna go blow some stuff up, so stay tuned. Ready to blow some stuff up? Well, as soon as we get a lane, we can. Much better using the sights. Shoot 10 and then you shoot 10, okay?
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta...
If you guys are ever in Virginia Beach, you gotta check out Freedom Shooting Range. They got everything, and I mean everything. Machine guns, outdoor range, indoor range. They even got the axe tribal throwing stuff. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this episode. Please like, subscribe, and we'll just have to see you next time. And hope I don't get monetized for shooting guns on YouTube. See you next time.
Go, 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 go.